10. Okay, from Cat Andrew Nardo. Bigay kayo ng on-the-spot boy pickup line banat. Kung hindi nyo po kilala si Boy Pickup, siya po yung papanood sa Bubble Gang every Friday night. Meron pong segment sa Bubble Gang na parang freestyle, kumbaga. And then, laging merong isang contestant doon na ang pickup line niya ay walang sense.
No connection at all?
Wala ka makukuha, but it's very funny. So, we're gonna try it out. Tripod ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi nilalamig na ang pako.
Parang late. Anong huli? Okay.
Palayuan ng connection dapat. Kayo din.
Papel ka ba?
Bakit?
May butong na kasi yung
Okay, one last. One each. Aeroplano ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi gusto ko mag-swimming.
Wow! Oh my God! Hindi, kailangan ko talagang tapatan to.
Okay.
Crayons ka ba?
Bakit?
May patay kasi na eh.
May patay? Ayun, kita ko. Okay.
May patay kasi na Okay. Ano lang next? Wait
I think that wraps up the question and answer portion.
Yeah.
So, I think we should take another time out for everyone. So,